Today we're going to show you how we match colors in foods and beverages. We often work with customers that are either switching natural color suppliers or they're switching from synthetic colors to natural colors. In both cases, we need to match the original color as closely as possible. Here's how we do it. We start by measuring the target color using a colorimeter. This machine shines light on the sample and measures how much of each wavelength is absorbed. We record this information as our benchmark and begin blending colors to match it. We create different blends until we have a close visual match. Then we measure it against the target shade on the colorimeter. We then recommend the option that best matches the desired shade and remains stable throughout the shelf life of the product.